What's up, guys? Let's set up the Xiaomi Mi 4A router as a range extender, as a repeater. So to do this, first of all, you need of course to make sure that you're connected to the power source and the power indicator on the router is glowing solid blue. Then you can continue on your device. You can use smartphone, you can use laptop. The process is the same. I will show you on the smartphone, and we have to use the mobile browser because unfortunately the Mi Wi-Fi application hasn't been updated for a long time and thus not supported by newer smartphones. But we will use browser, that's okay too, and you can repeat all these steps on your Mac or PC and the result will be the same. First of all, you need to reset your router if your router was connected by wire before, so you have to reset it anyway. You have the reset button here, right here on the back panel, so press and hold for about 3 seconds until you see the amber indicator here. That's it. So now it's been resetting. Wait for it to be done. And once you see the glowing blue indicator again right above the power icon, you need to go to the Wi-Fi settings on your device, whether it's smartphone or a laptop, and look for the Xiaomi network. But let's wait for 5G band. I prefer it because it's faster. If you don't see 5G Xiaomi band in your settings, try to restart Wi-Fi or wait for a while more. Let me try to restart, toggle off for a couple of seconds, toggle on back again. Hey baby, I wish 5 GHz band, where is it? Just be patient here and wait. It's going to appear very soon. That's it. Xiaomi something 5G. Okay, let's connect. And it automatically takes us to the welcome page, very simple. And here you need to click to select your country. Enter your country name, then tap on next, agree to the terms and conditions. There is no getting around it. Hit try it now. Testing the network environment. No home network cable found. That's because we haven't connected it. We need the range extender mode. So you need to scroll all the way down here and tap on this sentence. Continue setup without connecting a network cable. Then you need to tap on this router mode and select wireless relay mode. Then scroll down and tap on next. Scanning. Now select the Wi-Fi network you wish to extend. So my main router's name is My Wi-Fi. It has 2 bands, 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz. You can select any of them and the smart system will automatically extend both. So let's select 5 GHz and here I need to enter my Wi-Fi password, my current Wi-Fi password, of course. This is not new one. Setting up, please wait. And one more time for the second band. What options do we have before we continue? You can make your Wi-Fi password the router administrator password, and you can turn off or to turn on or off automatic upgrades. I recommend you to check this box. And password once again. Now this is your summary. Well, if your router's name is My Wi-Fi 5 GHz, so your extended network name is My Wi-Fi 5 GHz plus. So you have 2 bands right here. Administrator password. It's recommended to download the My Wi-Fi app, but it's too late. It doesn't work. So let's close this window for now. And here, let's find our new network, My Wi-Fi Plus. Once again, be patient, just wait for new network to appear here, or try to restart your Wi-Fi. Here it is, My Wi-Fi 5 GHz plus, and enter your password. The password is the same as for your main router. Save. Now it's connected, and let's go back to the web browser. And let's try to access to any site, but first of all, let's double check that we are connected to the proper network. Yes, we connected to Plus. This is our extended network. Let's go back and try to access YouTube, for example. Everything works, you're all set, but now let me tell you one thing that is not very pleasant. It seems there is no way to manage your router, your Mi router, when you use it as a range extender after the initial setup window is closed. Because I literally tried everything I know. I tried to copy the IP address from here and paste it into the search bar. I tried to go to the router, main router settings, and get the IP address of the device from there. But as you can see, my main router just doesn't see this Mi extender. I tried to visit miwifi.com website. I tried to type in the IP address from the user manual, but I still can't access the admin panel. So if you know how to do this without using the application that is in Chinese, as you already know, so if you are not Chinese speaker, you can't use this application properly. So if you know how to get around this issue, please comment below. And that's all for today. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, please. Subscribe to the channel and be awesome. Bye, guys.